Welcome back to the channel Krisi Vichar. I am here with the terminology of horticulture. Few important terms are annuals, plants that complete their life cycle in one or less year; biennials, plant that requires 2 year or two growing seasons with a dormant period in between to complete their life cycles; axillary birds, birds that are born laterally on the stem in the axils of the leaves; bolting, going to seed. Plant will produce a flower stalk and seeds and then die before the end of season. Cuticle, the waxy covering on leaves or fruit which protects the tissue against excess moisture loss. Cultivar, a plant derived from a cultivated variety that has originated and persisted under cultivation. Day neutral plant, a plant that will flower under any day length. Dehiscent, type of dry fruit in which the carpel, that is a simple pistil, splits long definite stems at maturity. Dormancy, a state of suspended growth or the lack of outwardly visible activity caused by environmental or internal factors. Drupe, a type of fruit with thin outer skin-line region, a center portion that is thick and fleshy, and an inner area that is hard and stony. Endocarp, the inner area of the fruit wall. Epidermis, the outer layer of cell or parts of a young plant. These cells are usually covered with a waxy layer called cuticle that minimizes water loss. Exocarp, the outer skin-like region of the fruit wall. Forcing, the manipulation of environmental factors which make it possible to produce a marketable pot, plant, or cut flower out of season. Grafting, the initiation of active growth by the embryo resulting in the rupture of seed coverings and the emergence of a new seedlings plant capable of independent existence. Herringback, type of pruning cut where the end portion of the shoot is removed but the portion at the base is not. Herbarium, a collection of plant specimens that have been taxonomically classified, pressed, dried, and mounted on a sheet of herbarium paper. Then, hybrid, a first generation cross between two genetically diverse parents. Inflorescence, the arrangement of flowers on the floral axis of flower cluster. Layering, a vegetative method of propagation that produces new individuals by producing adventitious roots before the new plant is separated from the parent plant. Long day plants, a plant that requires day longer than its critical day length to flower. Mesocarp, the center portion of the fruit wall. Then nursery, where the plants are being grown for the sale or for transplantation to different place. Offshoots, short horizontal stems that occur in whorls or near whorls at the crown of stem. Ovary, part of the pistil that contains one or more small bodies known as ovules. Ovule, the immature seed in the ovary. Peduncle, the short term of the flower cluster. Pericarp, the fruit wall, consisting of three distinct layers, that is, the exocarp, the mesocarp, and the endocarp. Pinching, breaking off the outermost growing point and thus allowing the villiary buds to start grow. This promotes outward growth rather than upward growth. Pome, type of fruits in which the portions produced by the pericarp are enclosed within fleshy parts that are derived from parts of the flower other than ovary. Example, apple. Pruning, removal of plant parts such as buds, developed shoots, and roots to maintain a desirable form by controlling the direction and amount of growth. Rhizome, horizontal stems that grow underground. They serve as the storage organs and as a means of vegetative propagation. Runner, a slender stolon with elongated internodes. These roots at nodes that touches the ground. Example, strawberry. Scion, the upper part of the union of a graft. Spines, sharp-pointed woody structures usually modified from a leaf or part of a leaf. Stolon, an above-ground stem that reclines or becomes prostrate and may form roots at the node that may come into contact with the ground. succulent leaves. Water storage structures characteristics of plant moist conditions to break physiological dormancy or rest. Tendrils, slender twinning leaves modification used for support as in the terminal leaflets of the grape. Thorn, a short sharp pointed branch. Variegated, leaves with green and white strip pattern instead of the typical all green look. Wilting, loss of rigidity and dropping of plant parts caused by many different plant diseases. Thanks for watching until the end. In the next video, I will be there with the branches of horticulture. So please go like and subscribe it for more video updates.